Viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we'll be solving a question from MAT December 2018 question paper. In a factory where the toys are manufactured, machines A, B and C produce 25%, 35% and 40% of the toys respectively. Of their output, 5%, 4% and 2% are defective toys. If a toy drawn at a random and is found to be defective, what is the probability that it is manufactured on the machine B? So from the question we have manufactured and defective. So the question here is to find the defective piece of the manufactured by B. So to do that, probability of defective given manufactured. So this can be found by Bayes rule, which is equals probability of manufacture given defective times, you can just remember like this. So probability of this defective divided by probability of this manufacture. The question asks only for the manufactured by machine B. We can just go for that, the numerator. For B, the company manufactured is 35% and the defective is 4%. So which is 35% times defective, which is 4%, divided by the entire thing, all toys manufactured for all the factories. So which is 25 times 5, 35 times 4 and 40 times 2. So by expanding this and solving this, we can get the answer. So which is equals 35% is nothing but 35 by 100, which is nothing but decimal point before 2 digits. So 0.35 times 0.04 divided by 0.25 times 0.05 plus 0.35 times 0.04 plus 0.4 times 0.02. So by simplifying this, the answer we get here is 28 by 69. Or this can also be just taken as 35 by 100, like everything percentage by 100, and just be solved without using the decimal. So still we will get the same answer. So it can be done as 35 by 100 times 4 by 100 divided by 25, this step. So 25 by 100 times 5 by 100 plus 35 by 100 times 4 by 100 plus 40 by 100 times 2 by 100. So this, if this is be easier to solve, this can also be done. Still the answer is going to be 28 by 69. Therefore, the probability that the toy drawn at random found to be defective is 28 by 69. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.